Welcome. I am going to explain about data types, variables and structure of Java program. First, we'll see data type. What is a data type? Every variable in Java has a data type. It is used to specify the size and type of values that can be stored. The data types in Java is categorized into two: primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data type also further classified into numeric and non-numeric. Numeric data type is classified into integer and floating point. A non-numeric data type is classified into character and boolean. A non-primitive data type is also called as derived data type, is classified into classes, arrays, interface. First we'll see integer data type. Integer data type hold whole numbers. For example, 123, minus 45, 64, 0, etc. It supports four types of integer: byte, short, int, long. The byte data type is a smallest individual type. It has 8 bits, that is, 1 byte of data can be stored. The range of byte data type is minus 128 to plus 127. Example, it can be written like this: byte b comma c semicolon. B and C are the variable. Byte is a data type. Next, short. Short consists of 16 bits of data, that is 2 bytes of data can be stored. The range of short data type is minus 327682 plus 32767. Example, it can be written short s. S is the variable, short is a data type. Next, int data type. It has 32 bits of data, that is 4 bytes of data can be stored. The range is minus 2 147 483 6482 plus 2 147 483 647. Example, int a comma b comma c. Here a, b, c are the variable which consist of int data type. Next one is long. Long has 64 bits of data, that is 8 bytes of data can be stored. The range of long data type is minus 9 223 372 036 854 775 8082 9 223 372 036 854 775 807. Example, long L. L is a variable, it's a long type variable. Next one is floating point data type. Floating point data type hold fractional values. It supports float and double data types. Float data type. Float data type represents single precision numbers. It has 32 bits of data, that is 4 bytes of data can be stored. The range is 3.4e minus 038 to 3.4e plus 038. Example, float avg. Avg is a variable which is used to store average value. That value is a floating type value. Next, double data type. Double data type represent double precision numbers. It has 64 bits, that is 8 bytes of data can be stored. The range of double data type is 1.7e minus 308 to 1.7e plus 308. Example, double avg equal to 52.3 2. AVG is a variable which can store double value 52.2. Next, character type. Character type is used to represent a single or group of characters. It has 16 bits, that is 2 bytes of data can be stored. The range of character type is 0 to 65,535. Example, char ch equal to y. Here y is a variable, it's a character type variable. Then string name equal to Joseph. Joseph is a string type value stored in the variable name. Next, Boolean type. Boolean type has 1 bit of storage. It stores only 2 values, that is true or false, or yes or no, or on or off. It can be defined like this: Boolean status equal to true. Next, we'll see structure of Java program. The structure of Java program is divided into documentation section, package statement, import statement, interface statement, class definition, main method definition. First, we'll see documentation section. It is used to improve the readability of the program. It consists of commands in Java. The commands in Java appear anywhere in the code. The compiler ignores these commands during the time of execution. It improves the readability of the program. There are 3 types of commands can be used. One is single line command, second one is multi-line command, third one is documentation command. Next one is package statement. Package is a collection of classes. The syntax is package name. Here the package name is student. This statement declares that all the classes and interfaces defined in this source file are a part of the student package. Next one is import statement. Import statement is used to refer to the classes stored in other packages. An import statement is always written after the package statement, but it has to be before any class declaration. We can import a specific class or classes in an import statement. Example, import java.util.date. This statement import the date class. Import java.applet.asterisk. This statement import all the classes from the Java applet package. Next one is interface statement. It is used to specify an interface in Java. It is an optional section, mainly used to implement multiple inheritance in Java. The syntax is interface, sample is the interface name, then curly braces, within the curly braces the block of interface statements. Next one is class definition. A Java program may contain several class definitions. It is an essential part of the program. It defines the information about the user-defined classes in a program. A class is a collection of variables and methods that operate on the fields. Every program should have at least one class. Main method definition. Main method class. The main method is the starting place of the program. Next we will see the structure of Java program. The first statement is import statement. Import java.io.asterisk. This statement import all the input-output classes and its subclasses. Next, class name. Here class name is the name of the class. Then open the curly braces, data members. If there is any data is used, we can define in this line. Next one is user defined method. For example, void display. Here display is the name of the user defined method. Next, public static void main. Here public static void, these are called as keywords. Public is used outside of these classes. Static is a keyword we want to access a method without making its object. Void is the word indicates that it does not return any values. Main is the method, is the essential part of the any Java program. String args. It is an array named as args. It consists of array of objects. Just string data type. Next, block of statement. This is a sample Java program. Your example is the class name. This program prints welcomes to Java in the screen. Next, variables. What is a variable? Variable is a name given to identifiers which can change during the execution of the program. A variable must be declared before it is used in the program. The uses of variable is it gives names to memory location. It specifies the type of data. It locates memory space. The rules of a variable is the first letter should be an alphabet. Special characters are not allowed except underscore. Keywords are not used in the variable name. Variable name is case sensitive, that is lowercase a is different from uppercase a. Then how to declare a variable? Declaring a variable can be in two ways. One is data type var1, var2, var_n. Here var1, var2 are the variable name. For example, int a, b, c. Here a, b, c are the variable which can store integer type data. Next, data type variable name equal to value or expression. So value or expression can be used at the time of declaring a variable. For example, int z equal to x plus y minus 5. X plus y minus 5 is a expression. Z is a variable name. Then float pi equal to 3.14f. 3.14 is a floating type value. That value is stored in the variable pi. Next, string name equal to Kishore. Kishore is a value. It is stored in the variable name which has string data type. Thank you for watching.